Hi guys, so another WordPress optimization. Today I already opened my Jetty metrics, and right now I have 4.2 seconds fully loaded time, because this actually change. It depends on what are the things that you've installed in your website. Lately I was 3.6, and I think I've added some plugins on my website, and I'm trying to figure out what are the things that I can improve in. So currently this one needs to be improved. I'm planning to change this into next gen formats, but it should have a fallback of other formats, because next gen is not fully supported in all browsers, so you need to have a fallback. So I will fix this one after, and then I want to concentrate on waterfall. So as you can see in here, by the way, my last video is about adding a preload on your website to make it to improve the page. So we already fixed the preload of modules TTF. It's currently in 54 ms. Before it was 2 seconds, I believe. So now my concern here is the site. So the waiting time of my website, which is bookwormhead.com, and I use Cloudflare for my CDN. Now I want to try configuring some page rules on my CDN. I tried using HTA Access lately, configuring the cached origin, but it's not working because I've used a CDN. Now we will jump into the CDN and use and configure some of our page rules to at least improve this stuff. Now, if you're using a CDN, so I've used this HTA Access, but it doesn't work. So because I've used a Cloudflare. Now you need to open your Cloudflare. By the way, I highly recommend that you have a Cloudflare. You configure your CDN into your website. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the page rules. Okay, page rules, because our goal is we want this to be improved. Okay, we want this to be improved. So I'm gonna go into the page rules and create a page. Okay, now I only want to work on the home page. Okay, we will fix the other pages later, but I will work on the home page. Okay, now I'm gonna set normally this one. So I'm gonna set let me just open this one. So let's try to inspect elements on the site, and Control R. Let's see what are the files that are in this website. Control Shift E. Sorry, it should be in the network only. We should be in the. Okay. So we have. Let's just use the network. Control R, and then as you can see here, we have some JS. We have some JS files, and okay, so we have some JS files, modules, and CSS. Okay, now I'm gonna open my Cloudflare, and then we will set a caching level, and then I want it to be in cache everything. I want to cache all the home page, and then also I want to auto minify only the CSS code. So I want to minify all the CSS code. For the JS, this one doesn't have JS, I believe, this page. I only want to minify CSS. Now we will set another cache TLL, and normally 4 hours. So I also set the origin cached. So I want to turn that on, because this is normally the problem of waiting time, I believe. Again, I'm not an expert. I'm just trying to improve my current website right now. I've been really I've not really working on my website lately, so it's one of my goals to at least check my website at least once a month to improve or fix the things that needs to be fixed. So add settings. Now I will add another SSL. This is also some common issue if you are having waiting, some common cause of waiting issue. So I want it to be full. It's better if you want it to be strict, but I don't have a paid SSL at the moment, so full would be great. So let's try to save and deploy this one. Now I will try to rerun my Jetty metrics, and hopefully it will improve our website speed and at least improve our waiting time as well into our waterfall. So it's currently fetching. Okay, so let me open that one, and it's generating a report. So currently it's already 3.9. So we have fixed a bit the problem. So as you can see, it's already 123.9 SMS. Again, this will need the configuration of your page rules really depends of your website setup, because if you configure a lot of things, you make the page rules super complicated, then there are some incompatibility issues with your JS files and some of the files. So there's some incompatibility issues, so you need to look on that. So the other thing that I can fix as well is this. Okay, there is a Siteground Optimizer Js. Why? What's wrong?
By the way, if you find my video helpful, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Click that subscribe button and that thumbs up and the bell notification if you want to receive new videos from me.
So the Siteground Optimizer JS, I'm going to go back to my Siteground and I'll open my CG Optimizer and then go into the combine JS. So let me go to my Cloudflare. If you already configure a minification in your Cloudflare, then the backend side or your hosting side should be disabled to avoid conflicts. You need to avoid the redundancy. So let's try to go to this let's go to the speed and optimization, and then we already have an auto minify for our JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. So in the SiteGround, we need to disable those parts. So we need to disable this minify for the CSS, because we already done that already. So we already done that on the Cloudflare, so you only need to choose one. Now I'm going to retest it again. Hopefully we have some progress. Okay, it's currently fetching. So yeah, we have progress so far. It's already 3.5 seconds. Let's go back to the waterfall. So we've improved it from 1 point something to 914 ms. So yeah, that's it. I still need to dig further what are the things that I can work on my website. And again, if you want to see more videos about WordPress optimization, then feel free to check my playlist and check my other videos. Again, don't forget to subscribe, smash the bell notification, and thumbs up if you want to receive new videos from me. Have a great day.